Hey gamers! Stalker 2 Heart of Chernobyl is officially coming to PS5 in 2025 with full DualSense support. Ready to brave the zone? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into this thrilling announcement. GSC Game World announced that Stalker 2 Heart of Chernobyl, the survival horror shooting, is hitting PS5 later this year after its Xbox and PC debut. With immersive DualSense features and PS5 Pro enhancements, it's a must-play. Want the details? Keep watching. Stalker 2 Heart of Chernobyl, a gritty first-person shooter set in a haunting Chernobyl zone, launched on Xbox Series SX and PC in 2024, but faced bugs. Now it's confirmed for PS5 in late 2025, leveraging the DualSense controller's haptic feedback and adaptive triggers for a chillingly immersive experience. GSC Game World also cooking up technical upgrades for the PS5 Pro version. GSC dropped patch 1.5.1 on July 9, 2025 for Xbox and PC, fixing bugs that plagued the launch. This polish sets the stage for a smoother PS5 release. Plus, PS Plus subscribers can dive into the Stalker Legends of the Zone trilogy, including Shadow of Chernobyl 2007, Clear Sky 2008, and Call of Pripyat 2009, adding to the game catalog in May. Perfect for catching up on the series. Stalker 2 on PS5 brings its intense survival horror action to Sony fans, with DualSense features making every step in the zone feel real. The PS5 Pro enhancements and ongoing patches show GSC's commitment to quality. With its cult following and eerie atmosphere, this could be one of 2025's biggest releases. Is the zone calling your name? Stalker 2 Heart of Chernobyl hits PS5 later in 2025, so gear up for a heart-pounding adventure. No exact date yet, but stay tuned for updates. What's got you hyped? DualSense immersion or the PS5 Pro version? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Stalker 2's PS5 release. Are you stoked for haptic feedback or diving into the Zone trilogy first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.